Caleb. Caleb. Breakfast at the campfire. What up, dude? Hey. The vlog hasn't seen the new fire pit yet. Cob pizza oven.
I'm gonna cook the breakfast in there.
What are we eating?
Lettuce wrap omelet.
Lettuce wrap omelet. So now we can have a fire here. And he scooches the coals through that little hole in the back. And then you cook it in here. So we're gonna shoot this video, try to edit a little bit. I'm gonna go to work at Melt. Gonna come home from work at Melt, take the megabus to Chicago, see Shannon's show, and fly back to Cleveland to work at 10:30 on Friday.
A nice smoky flavor on that.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's eat.
Yes. Lettuce wraps. Mmm. Let's get out of here, man. Where's my Jeep keys? Rats. Averted a minor key crisis right there. Yo, bro. Yeah. Pulling up on the corridor. Somehow I forgot my skateboard to the skateboard path. Caleb's like, where's your board? I'm like, it's right there. Oh, I didn't put it in the car. Which kind of bums me out because this is fun. Rocking out to Rihanna. I heard it was Rihanna actually. Did you know that? Rihanna. Rihanna. I'm like, Rihanna, it's more refined. Ah, our vlog's ruined. There's some rangers over there.
Can't swim.
So you're not allowed stupid Ohio park rules, but you can't swim in this swimming hole. It's illegal. Shoot over to Payne Falls?
Yeah.
Just to get some drone footage?
Yeah, it works.
Alright, here's the plan. This waterfall is awesome, but you can't help when the law comes through. The law. Always obey the law.
What's up?
Alright, rolling up on Payne Falls. Hear all the cicadas? Yeah, it's a cicada year.
Everywhere, dude.
This is another park, same thing. Not allowed to swim. We got the shots that make up for the lack of swimming and sliding down a waterfall. A lot of people have heard me say otherwise, but I love northeastern Ohio. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. This is the bridge we shot Crybaby Bridge on. Oh yeah, throwback set. Soon to come out here. Oh yeah. Now we're editing Crybaby Bridge. Been talking about that one for a while, but we've had a lot of stuff come up in between, a lot of big trips and stuff we've taken. It's coming, don't worry. Don't you worry, I don't want you all to get worried. I don't want our 88 subscribers to get disappointed when we don't release something, you know? Click that subscribe button. If you like this page, you should click that subscribe button. Trust me, you'll laugh, at least once. Click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. If you even giggled, you should click that subscribe button. If you like watching dudes with their shirts off a lot, click that subscribe button. Caleb and I always follow the law when law enforcement is present.
Yes.
the law. Drink your milk for strong bones. Yes. Vote Donald Trump for a better America. Wait.
Trump.
Make America great again.
Trump.
Trump. Cheap life. What was that? Off to work. Dude, fun day?
Yeah.
Later, brother. Rolling into work. I need cash. Give me cash tonight. Lauren's like,
Vlogging your sandwich?
yeah. Cole wants to be in the vlog. Mackenzie wants to be in the vlog. No one wants to be in my vlog, so I'll just be in my vlog. Could be YouTube famous though, but whatever.
I'm in the vlog now. Saw, dude. I'm in the vlog, bro.
Saw, dude.
Yo, 2016, June 1st, takeover.
Yeah.
From now on, you'll just see me.
The Dobe takeover.
Dobe takeover. Every first of the month.
Yeah. Decent shift. Wasn't very long, just a few hours. Oh, Cole. Later, brother. Cole's trying to start a vlog too. I've been trying to get him to do it. Headed home to the crib. Gonna hang out with Caleb. Slap together most of this edit. Headed to Megabus. See what happens when you don't follow the law. Obey the law. Tisk, tisk.